Hello guys, this is our day 2 dito sa Disney Cruise. Kasama namin si Mickey Mouse. Yan. Say hi everyone.
Hi, Mom.
So, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. So, syempre, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. Dito ako sa excited pag dating sa pagkain. And ang sasarap ng sinaserve nila sa amin. So, eto na yung door namin, guys. Oh. So, yan na. Ano lang yung may curtain na ganyan dito. Then, eto na. So, naglagay na sila dito ng mga pixie dust. Pixie dust like that. So, mamaya, pwede pa yan. So, matutuwa si CL nito. So, right now, kakain naman kami. Paiba sa Enchanted Summer Restaurant. It's a syrup. Oh, that?
Anything else?
Thank you, thank you. Sabi nila, masarap daw ang curry. Chicken curry nito. Sabi nila. Oh yeah. Sarap ng chicken curry. Guys, after namin mag-breakfast, diretso na kami sa show na gagawin dito ni Moana. So medyo mainit daw dito. Kaya hanap tayo ng magandang spot na hindi tayo matututong.
Don't touch my water. Don't touch my water. Is it hot? Boo boo.
Why? So hot? It's hot? It's hot? Can you get the umbrella? I am gonna be... Dito kami na sa guest service kasi nawala yung tripod natin kahapon. Baka sakali na dinala dito. No? Maybe, sana nandito. Laking bagay kasi kami tripod.
Yeah.
Akala namin wala na yung tripod. So kanina may kinausap lang ako rito sa guest service. At eto na, nakita ko that bit nila.
Yes. Galing.
Yeah, we're going back to our room to change our clothes.
Hello.
Thank you.
Have you had breakfast yet?
Yeah.
So strong.
Have a magical day.
Thank you.
Wow, look oh,
I
there's
have a cake. Hey, Mommy, sing.
a present for my
Mommy.
wife. Let's read it. Oh, you have.
Yeah, pink.
See and over the years, may you always remember celebrating this magical moment with the officer and crew of Disney Cruise. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Blow. It's swimming time. Say hi, bebe. Say hi. Yeah. Alright guys, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Enjoy ni CL yung aming swimming time. You love it, Bebe El? It's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. So yun ang target namin. Then meron kami nakita sa app na meet and greet sa ilang character ng Disney. So try din namin pumunta doon. Pumunta kami dito sa Disney Imagination Garden kung saan makikita yung isang character na si Captain Jack. At unti-unti na kami napapamiliarize dito sa cruise. So, alam na namin si Captain Jack. Lunch time? Yeah? So mag-uuhanas grill na lang kami. Inside of Ohana.
Daddy's here with the food.
Yummy!
Ooh, wow. Go, baby. Go, Woody.
It's Mickey, Captain. Let's go. So, ito, it's a small word.
Tiny baby.
Sure.
Mommy, my daddy.
Small daddy.
Again. Oh.
Mickey Woody.
Mark II Iron Cycle
Let's go.
Animator's Play.
Can I help you? How about big eyes? Big eyes. And then eyebrows. You want the tongue? Wow! Please. Okay, done.
These are just what I need to whip up a little animation magic. I'll be back later, but right now, we invite you to sit back and relax as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Service to the test. Tie your napkin around your neck, Sherry, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre, while we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't be
Here, 2 days na kami dito sa cruise, guys. At 2 days na rin kami kumakain dito sa resto na naka-schedule. Napansin ko lang kung sino yung nag-serve sa'yo nung unang araw. At sa mga susunod na araw, sila pa rin yung naka-assign sa'yo na mag-serve ng mga pagkain. Sir Jaka, ang aming server, 2 days na siyang nag-serve sa amin ng pagkain. Indonesian siya, Indonesian, right? Yeah, Indonesian. You look like Filipino. Same face. Same face na. Ibang klase yung service nila dito. Talagang pipil mo na prinsesa at prinsipe ka dito sa cruise. Right? So lahat ihahain na sa harapan nyo. Lahat libre. Kung malakas kang kumain, siguro paldo ka rito sa cruise dahil lahat ng makikita mo libre maliban lang sa drinks. Mga alcohol drinks may bayad dito. Drawing na kami kanina, then mamaya hintayin na lang namin siya sa screen na lumabas, pasayaw. No? Yun yung nakita ko sa mga vlog. So ngayon, saksihan na natin. Birthday, mami!
Ito, starter.
Starter? Wonton?
Wonton soup, Caesar salad, and tissue pau. Smile! Cheers!
Curry?
Yes, chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Medium. Yeah. Beef.
Yeah?
I have the second one ready every time. Order service together. Would you like one?
Ay, nakin sama.
Mommy, 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 mommy.
Roberto!
That was some animation magic, huh, folks? And I couldn't have done it without friends like you. Thanks, everybody. See y'all real soon.
Ayun o, Kimo. Yehey! We're officially Disney animator.
Yehey!
So kanina wala kang sito, pagbalik may silid na. Yan.
So now we are officially Disney animator.
Click this one. Over here. Yeah. Fix it up. Oh. Yeah. Shake this one. Yeah. Shake it around and cover gently. And it's not my finger, but look.
We have to put the pixie dust.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh no.
Up.
Gentlemen, boys and girls! Babel! This is the grand finale. Yeah. Babel! I'm celebrating their Mami. Birthday! Yay! To you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Next table.
Thank you.
Say, birthday, Mami.
Blow.
Thank you.
Bye.
Rating.
So, tonight, naghintay kami ng show ng Avengers. May mga tao nang naghihintay rito para sa show. At syempre, doon ang aking mag-ina, Mami. Bebe! Ay, maganda. Wow! Wow!
Nene everywhere.
Thank you. And thank you, Friday, for your wonderfully kind yet accurate words.
Spoken just as you wrote them, sir.
Guilty as charged. And now, Iron Man is officially on deck. Welcome to Stark Expo. I've invited a few friends along. In fact, they're assembling right now. Black Widow. Captain America.
What's up, everybody?
What? No showing off your fancy wings?
Come on. Think you really want me to outdo your entrance, Tony?
Look at this. A grand party. I didn't seem to get an invitation. Congrats. Wow. I'm my kind of guy.
Store.
Glad you could join us.
Of course. I'm always here when a friend is in need.
Another Captain America. I hope you're less troublesome.
T'Challa, good to see you.
Don't you know that smoking festers my health?
And we're all clear up here.
Don't worry, kids. Nobody really gets hurt in a Disney show. Ooh. What about this? Well, I can't say I'm not a little disappointed. Friend? Ow! Knuckles!
You again.
Yep. Are you blushing?
Enough of your wits.
No can do, no.
No more words from your silver tongue. Now, I am the god. Invincible.
All the quantum energy has been detained. We did it!
We're not doing that. Say cheese. Cheese.
About the show.
The show was great.
Ano? Amazing.
Amazing.
World class.
Very world class. Many. Sabu,
Dali.
sabu.
Fighting. Spider-Man. Ano yun? Sabatin mo.
Okay guys, it's time to watch fireworks. Kahapon wala kami nakita. Ando dito tayo punta, no?
Wala daw.
Wala daw. So ngayon, ulitin na natin kahit nakakapagod. Wala natin punta rito para masaksyan natin yun.
The Lion King celebration in the sky.
Guys, napakarami ng tao rito sa taas. We're waiting for fireworks. Dito kami ngayon sa Deck 18. Gaya din ng Disneyland, meron din silang fireworks dito sa Disney Cruise. So ito lang din yung nag-iisang Disney Cruise na may fireworks. So trivia, yung fireworks dito kapag tapos pumutok, lumaglag sa tubig o sa dagat, nagiging feed siya ng fish.